Hello guys, welcome back. We have another visitor to the cul-de-sac for the Mighty Garage this morning. Frank's coming over on his Norton Commando, so hopefully we'll ask him a few questions about his bike. Here he is. He's laughing.
Many pubs between your house and mine. I'm going to drive around the neighborhood. Being friendly with your neighbors.
How are you?
I'm good.
No, you're good. Keep it going, man. Give it a rep.
Pay your neighbors not to call the cops. Oh man. Well, I made it. It ran. It's got a weird rattle though.
Has it?
I'm afraid something important's gonna fall off.
You just keep riding it until it stops, Frank.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, you know, this thing doesn't stop. I was like driving down Highway 43. The exhaust pipe falls down. It's dragging on the ground, so I had to ride home with my foot under it. I had no rear brake, and my front brakes died.
Oh.
It was, yeah. It's all. That's why it's so fun to ride this.
I didn't realise how high your front bars are. Your bars are pretty high, aren't they?
Well, I kind of asked for that because I was looking for the most upright riding position.
Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot to wait. I got my COVID-19 costume.
You got your mask?
Yeah.
And we'll we'll keep apart. Don't worry. Don't worry. You can shut it off. It's all right.
Well, yeah. You might have to give me a push down the hill.
We can do that.
So I just love that whole idea of tales from the cul-de-sac.
Did you like that?
I love it. It's such a great.
It's just a bit of fun. You know,
Yeah.
that's all. Keeps us going.
Yeah.
So, Frank, what can you tell us about your bike? Dave and I were remiss, right? He came up on his interstate and a guy raised a very fair comment. He said, you had him come up the driveway and all you talked about was his camera. And so it's true, actually. The problem is I know the bike quite well, and so I forgot to ask questions.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I should ask you.
So I bought this from a guy in St. John's in 2012. And it was cafe. It had a Manx tank and Manx pipes and rear set and all this stuff. And the work was okay. The Manx tank leaked, of course, because it was glass.
Yeah.
And so I started, this project. I wanted it stock. I was actually looking for a 68, 9, 70 Bonneville. Two longer, a twin 2 carburetor Triumph.
Yeah.
Because all my buddies have Triumphs. And my keto buddy said, why be like everybody else? You should get a Norton. And he found this one.
Oh, cool.
And I bought it. The picture, so my favorite bridge in all of Portland is Cathedral Bridge, right?
Yes.
And the picture on Craigslist was this right underneath Cathedral Bridge. I thought, that does it. So anyway, most all the work has been done in Carson City by Toby at Carson Valley Motorsports.
This is your friend down there, isn't it?
Yeah, I've got a lot of friends down there. Toby is, I met through my high school buddy. So, and I put cell rims on it. So I put the Makunis on it. My favorite part of this.
You've got two, right? Two Maikunis on there, or just
one?
It's
a twin. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's a Commando. So somebody tried to talk me into one longer, and it's like, no, it's a Commando. Has to have 2 carburetors, even though makes it a pain in the ass. The sticker on this carburetor says "not for aircraft use."
Is that right?
Yeah.
And what year is it, Frank? Then
It's
an
a
early
70.
one. Yeah. Okay.
And there was no air box when I got it, and so I had to search high and low for filters. So see, it says "not for aircraft use." I gave the guys at Seco a hard time. I said, so I can't write it upside down? They said, yeah.
You can't do a barrel roll on it. No.
If you do, we'll give you the carburetors, right? But the other thing I did, the rear Excel rim, I brought it down an inch because I couldn't find the rubber that I wanted at the time, and so it's got a.
Oh, an 18.
I think an 18 and a 19.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it does. Yes, of course. Yeah.
So I like that. That's kind of fun.
And you got an oil cooler on the front there as well. I see that.
Yeah, it comes with an oil cooler. Oh, and Toby added this cartridge filter. Oil filter.
Yeah.
And then I've got a what I think is a pretty cool oil gauge.
Oh yes.
And then a GPS speedometer.
Okay.
Oh, and I got a horn, which I'm very proud of.
Does it work? How's it sound? Oh yeah.
It's got plenty of dBs.
What's this little thing at the back here on your tail section?
That's the antenna for my GPS speedometer.
Oh really? Oh, very
And
cool.
then I have an LED taillight assembly from Colorado Norton Works.
Oh, very good.
And I think other than and a lithium battery,
Yes.
which because this thing needs like hardly any power at all.
Yeah.
You know, I've probably only put 2,000-3,000 miles on it.
Since you got it?
Probably.
Oh, okay. All right. Can I just take a few shots around your bike? Is that all right?
Why don't I just let you have at it, and I'll give you a little social distance. How's that?
Absolutely. Thank you, Frank.
Oh, and I'm also really proud of this little badge. I want you to take a look at it, but I couldn't find the dealer where the bike came from, but I'm thinking it actually came from the UK and was imported. It wasn't built for export. It was sold in the UK and then exported.
And then exported afterwards. Do you have one of our club stickers? Let me have a look. I'll come round. Oh yeah,
Place of honor.
That's exactly where I have mine actually. Yeah.
Well, I know. I've got the
The Hagons.
upgraded
And
shocks.
they're Dunstall pipes, right? As well. Is that going back
I
to
believe
the,
that these are Dunstall.
Yeah.
This are like, I don't know. There's more stock because the pipes used to do this.
Yes.
I mean,
yes.
they didn't go out that far, but they came back because the this was way back here. I've been around it for 7 years, and I forget everything. Oh, I put a new chain guard on it. It's a Colorado Norton Works chain guard because the chain guard was just beat up. It's like it threw a chain. Do you want me to put it on the center stand?
No, it's fine, honestly, Frank. So this is a digital speedo then, eh?
It's
GPS.
Yeah, I mean, it's a GPS based. So it has like a clock. It has a trip. It has odometer. It has elevation. It has quarter mile time. It's pretty fun.
Oh, I like that chain guard. That's sleek.
Yeah, the bike's kind of dirty, but I just gave up trying to keep bikes clean. I polish the shiny bits once in a while. Oh, and I put an LED high beam indicator up here, so it's really bright.
It's got a really nice, clean look about it, Frank.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you. All right. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much for swinging by. Thank you.
Absolutely.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it is a lot of fun. Okay, gotta see. The last time I was here, I think it was when I borrowed a exhaust spanner. Right?
Oh yeah, that's C-clamp. Yeah.
All right, man.
Bye, Frank.
Should I do a loop?
Yeah, why not?
Should I do